Hi friends, do you know when it is the right time for you to redesign your website or redevelop your website? Today I'm going to share with you 6 critical factors by which you can make sure whether it is the right time for you to redesign your website. Hi, this is Rushik Shah. I am the author of the upcoming book, The Thing in the Marketing. And today I'm going to share those 6 critical things which you will be very easily able to figure it out whether it is the right time for you to redesign your website or not. The first and the most important thing is the bounce rate of your website. Now, bounce rate is a rate which defines how many people actually are bouncing out of the page while browsing the site. This rate could be easily seen from the Google Analytics report. If you don't have one, I would highly recommend to install Google Analytics for your site, which will give you a lot of insights about what the visitors are doing on your site and what are the pages they are coming in from, what are the pages they are going out of. So the higher the bounce rate, it's not good for you, and you need to optimize the design, the functionality of your site such that it reduces the bounce rate of the page. The number 2 is the loading speed. Whether your loading speed is very low. If it is pretty low, then it is time for you to redesign it, because when the speed is slow, because the attention span of people has reduced, people don't wait longer for your website to load. So it has to be quick and fast for the website to load. So if it is slow, again it's time for you to redesign it. The third is whether it is mobile responsive. Mobile responsive means the website, when it is loaded on the phone, should be very easy for the user to navigate and process information or submit forms or any call to action that you have on your site. So it has to be mobile responsive, because today 65% of the people actually browse the website from a mobile phone screen. The fourth number is whether your site looks outdated or old. If it looks old or outdated, then definitely it's time for you to redesign it. Now you can check if there is any kind of, in your industry, if there is any kind of change that has happened, and whether your competitors have implemented that on their website and it has become an industry standard. So there is a process where you can do a benchmarking with all your competitor websites and see whether there are certain elements on the websites which most of your competitors have and it's missing on your site, which could be processed during the redesign of your site. The fifth important thing is whether it has a lower conversion rate or not. Now, conversion rates could vary based on the type of site you have, whether it's a lead generation website or an order processing website or information website. So whether enough number of people are submitting the contact forms or the lead forms that you have on your site, whether you're getting enough number of orders by the number of visitors visiting the site on your site or not, whether there are enough number of people giving you a call on your mobile phone by the number displayed on the website, whether the number is highlighted properly and easy for the user to find it out and click and call you or not. So a lot of factors come into play, and if the conversion rate is pretty low, then again it's right time for you to redesign the website. The sixth and the most important thing is whether it is easier for you to manage the website yourself or not, or you need to pay someone a lot of money to just make small changes on your website. So today there are a lot of CMS available based on the type and need that you have, and which you can easily manage the content of your website from an easy to use CMS. So you need to schedule your redesign. Generally, on an average, the businesses redesign their websites once every 2 years, but we have customers who redesign their website once every 6 months. Some of the customers change certain elements of their pages once every 2 to 3 months. We ourselves redesign our website once every year, because there are a lot of trends that the industry is moving on towards, and we incorporate them based on the feedback that we get from the Google Analytics and a lot of other conversion optimizations that we do for us and for a lot of our customers. So do schedule your redesign based on your needs out of those 6 factors that I just told you today. And if you want us to do an audit for you for free, just fill in the form. Just click on the link below and fill in the form, and our experts would contact you to schedule a free audit call for you and see and then you decide whether it's the right time for it. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on the video. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.